Well, you don't hear the latest gist with that. Bojo don't give you every breakdown where you want here today. My name is Irumi Boluwati Tony Shola Omoni on Top Sport Matter Naija FM 102.7. Well, Bojo, as you know, charity now from inside house, you carry body go outside. So we go start from inside house. Yesterday we yarn about want to say NFF won't reduce the salary. Today now 21 June Abi, and exactly 9 days remain for Pesero contract to expire.
Exactly 9 days.
9 days from the gist on top where we hear now only 3 months they don't pay us so far.
3
out
months.
of the $70,000.
Out of the $70,000, only 3 months.
So now the story from one ESPN and a Naija journalist right now say, on this guy, they say they won't cut in salary. Now NFF president Ibrahim Shehu Guso don't and say, na lie, so they no plan to take reduced salary. But my question is, yes, you say that one a lie.
Sorry, the reducer they talk say for the ones when you don't work, then they won't reduce.
No, this for new one.
New one. Okay, which means they won't extend the contract.
Now there they go. It just they said we don't plan to reduce salary. But share when I go extend contract
in Spanish.
We don't know. On I won't give a new contract, we don't know. On I go come out now for work, we don't know. The last this way we hear shall say some coachy don't day waiting they call shortlist. Say where they don't line up.
Where they don't line up.
Finidi George, we just win league with Eyimba. Emmanuel Amunike did okay, I feel you understand those ones. But the one way I go call next, I don't understand. Salisu Yusuf.
How?
He there among shortlist. He there among the assistant.
They come waiting the wrong.
Wait now. You never see this. The next man we see on top list now Austin Eguavon. Sake of saying I be technical director of NFF. So if coaching no day, I be the first call.
But
he shock you.
I just the short of words. I did short of words. So now, is it not? Say there is no way where we go do better than what we did now.
The problem.
What happened to those days of 90s?
Even this new
what is happening?
This new NFF chairman, I don't understand anymore. I don't understand what they do. You know they talk.
I know they see in vibes. I know they see anything.
Not be saying they talk everywhere like Pinnick bin they do, but at least relate to many people don't even sabi. People just know the name. So now the NFF president name be this. So people don't even know what it look like.
Yes. No be lie.
But waiting we just know be say NFF no get money. Now NFF broke. The guys find we sort this broke matter.
Waiting make them broke.
Shebi, I remember Pinnick bin say that they 70% autonomous. That one mean say 70%. If now like say now 100 million they fee raise, say them then say fee raise like 70%. So now the 30% where they no get they make NFF broke.
Now that them broke with that.
Okay, we see the inside house Federations Cup. That one we won FA Cup for inside Naija.
Yes.
Now last week Thursday they supposed to play and to submit list to CAF on Friday, but the beg say I beg. Now beg we beg. Just give us 1 week. So CAF don't extend that for them and they don't play the final already. Rangers will rest for 3 weeks. Well, if someone they go they fresh, they don't go to chop Kukumeba. Beleda over big. They lose that game to Rivers
Rangers.
They
don't chop CA and beer.
Now Bendel Insurance win that game.
Bendel Insurance. Sorry,
I'm happy for them actually.
Yes, I'm happy for them because they don't really do well for the Super 6. They don't really do well because I really expected a lot from them. If you see when they play the normal league for the other Group A,
they finish unbeaten throughout for regular league. Even for Super 6.
Even though they towards the end of the game they don't draw.
You understand
but at least but when they come Super 6, what can happen?
Well, now from second half of season, out of the 9 games they played, 8 na draw. So second half they no really day body, but as they enter Super 6, they see they draw, they go. But the 4th game, unfortunately, they be lose. But it no reach for them. So I'm happy for them. So at least they win something.
It's okay. At least with this that Confederation Cup now, you don't give them tickets to participate for
Confederation down now the continent. Yes, so it means we get 4 teams now for continent. Eyimba and Remo Stars, those ones go play for CAF Champions League. Then Rivers United will reach quarter-final of CAF Champions League last season. Then with Bendel Insurance now go play for CAF Confederation Cup.
Confederation Cup. And that CAF Champions League, they show say they never enter the main.
Now they go first play 2 rounds before you enter group stage. For Confederation Cup you go play 3 rounds. For first round, some top team, if teams like Eyimba they Confederation Cup, Eyimba know they play that first round. So their levels big. So if you lose first round for CAF Champions League, just forget how they go out.
You are going home now. I'm saying never even enter the group.
No, if you lose second round, you go drop to Europa League. You go drop to CAF Confederation Cup final round.
Nobody is supposed to be equivalent. It's supposed to be equivalent.
So Nigerian teams, I beg, no be just to say you make them like that. Just do everything. It goes sweet if you get 4 teams for group stage where they fight for title. And teams always feel say now when we qualify, be the money no be the money. The money now if you win, I can't go Club World Cup.
Club World Cup.
Where FIFA don't
already.
Serious gbeb. So all the best to Naija clubs. And for the CAF Women's Champions League, now for Nigeria it go happen as Delta Queens will win the Super 6 for the women. Now they go host this time around for inside Asaba. But not be to host alone, no. Not to do work.
No, not to work, not be by hosting. You host no.
Imagine me they play Wafu B, me they can't even lose, no enter the competition proper.
Who play Wafu B?
So you go still play on a Wafu with our set.
Okay.
What they qualify for the competition proper.
What they qualify for the competition?
Same thing for men, same thing for women. So I beg with the beg. Delta Queens do everything possible to take make sure say you.
Why they go play Wafu B?
That's what they do since they start the Women Champions League. Bayelsa Queens, them lose final of Wafu B, but at least now the two teams where they enter final for Wafu B go represent West Africa. But for Rivers United last year, them win their own Wafu B. But when competition proper reach,
they go
less.
They go Mezebu for there.
No, all the best to Delta Queens. We'll move enter inside tennis. Venus Williams will clock 43 last weekend. She and some players on Columbia wild card for 2023 Wimbledon. We go start next month. Well, Venus, she don't win the Wimbledon 5 times, and them give them now Constante. She don't there among few players we call be wild card for the tournament. Katie Ball, we say a Butler will be British number 1 for the women. She self collects the wild card. Lenas Vitolina of Ukraine. She there among. Remember, she did lose for quarterfinal for inside French Open, but that French Open her first Grand Slam since she born babe.
Okay,
so it means her ranking never really come up. So she there among those we call be the wild card. But more break and down. People they feel say now Joro why they go to give some people wild card. The wild card now for people who say they are ranking.
It be really, like seeding. Where they seed you for.
But for them, sake of say the ranking where they did, it don't really help them qualify automatic. But they get history.
They get history.
Like Venus Williams, you don't win Wimbledon 5 times. History there, or you sabi, but you know they are among best, and you be home person, maybe home boy or home girl. It means say for example, if we do events now, my ranking no high. But sake of say na Naija FM do the event and I be home boy. Every day say okay, more Adam, so if you get home support. So now so then they do work and no be say na Ojoro. Then they do. More move inside football. We go start from with the man where you mentioned for your intro. Jose Mourinho in the Colombia 4-match ban.
Okay, now we want to know. Jose Mourinho collect 4-match ban. That's because of that.
And the Giannis will go clear Anthony Taylor for inside car park. The kind word will take you talk for that. We don't even talk about radio.
But.
Or they call her foul mouth.
Not really foul mouth.
I know what he talking
about. No, we don't talk about this one for that season.
Even the Premier League goal of the match of the official for Premier League, they say come and rant, say no, what you do the ref. No, I agree. Say the ref make 1 or 2 wrong call. Even if you look at with football eye, even the goal where themselves score foul, suppose they ref no blow. So I don't agree. Say ref suppose they do mistake, but they happen for sports.
It happen for sports,
especially for football. English referee.
Now referee.
So Mario Bros, just count that song. So
4-match ban. So which means
if you remain Roma for next season,
make it come up for Roma.
If you carry a Yimba go UEFA Champions League,
even if you come a Yimba come play,
you go see shopping for match.
You go see shopping for. I they talk that is
no head the way one chop knock. Even if you dey inside aeroplane, heat go catch you. You go open window, come on.
Give you cow. That lock you collect am.
You go collect am. And not be only collect myself. Even the club Roma they say shop fine. Say their first home match for Champions League for Europa League. They go sell away ticket.
They go sell away ticket.
Their fans cost 1 or 2 trouble for inside that final.
Yes.
Now be only there West Ham. They say collect their own. They say their next away game. They know they go. You know they carry fans.
Any fans.
Sake of say their fans boss play ahead. Now the captain of Fiorentina, Cristiano Barriga, say they throw something, they throw cut for head, the head cut.
But that final, they win, no?
They win, and they still collect 50 million euros fine. No, 50,000 euros fine.
50 million. I won't run cover.
They will still pay 8. Sake of say their fan run enter field, but in the end they still win that game. But about them move straight enter inside transfer matter. Most start with Victor Osimhen.
Not the transfer.
The president of Napoli. He don't clear say Osimhen don't agree to take sign a 2-year deal. You feel say that correct move for him?
To me, Osimhen, I've been like because right now Osimhen be like hot cake.
Now hot cake,
hot cake. So bigger club don't they look for him? At least to me, I don't feel say okay. You don't do well for Napoli. Come on there small. Go all those big clubs where they call you. There is no way me and me say even Madrid buyer they no go bench.
No, for Madrid no get striker.
They don't even get striker.
Striker where Madrid collects now.
They don't get striker.
And old man Oselu na 33 years. We're making debut for with national team at old age.
At old age.
So now just loan say come from Espa. I guess the reason say Mbappe fit join from next season. So more loan player. Even the Oselu no sure say na go to start. If he be Rodrigo, we go to start as number 9 for Madrid. So just get and say
Rodrigo do like
Oselu just day.
A first 9 na go to.
So and Oselu they say just come with the mind say so if they get person like Osimhen now automatic. No stress. So
Osimhen no.
Osimhen Bojo disagree with you.
No.
Say you decide to take.
I don't agree this one.
Sign for them. So Presido they happy. And with the years Arsenal and Chelsea don't finally agree 65 million pounds for Kai Havertz. How Chelsea take do this jazz to take and make all these players they go like this? For me, after the season where they get, I say I'm not sure Chelsea if sell any player past 50 million. Now Kai Havertz. 65 million pounds.
So you don't say support the way Chelsea they spend, the fee go back there. But you see now we they sell now. We are selling.
And the same Chelsea don't reject 50 million for Man U on top
Messi Mount. Why 50 million? What did they worry about you? How do they carry the 50 million? They come buy Messi. They don't they won't buy. They say they're Pepe they buy.
But guess what, Bojo? Kovacic they go Man City for how much? 30 million pounds.
30 million pounds.
How much? Like I've been talk. Everybody see this deal. Say Kovacic no cost. Nobody sign him. When they clear everything finish in Man City, go Pep Guardiola the sign player. Why you no sign him? Why your team no go sign him? And I feel saying a perfect replacement you go be for Gundogan. Where they go Barcelona, we say you don't agree 2-year deal with them with option to extend. But you might say you play for Barca for 2 years, you don't play for Camp Nou. Because Barca
they come up for Camp Nou now. Yes, because they want renovate the stadium.
Now Madrid they enter their eyes after Madrid spend money for Bernabeu. We must do the same thing.
But Madrid never go back to Bernabeu now.
They don't go, but they never see finish them. So they just play them like that. Say, I think that next season or this next year or so shall go they fully ready. And the way that they do, Oyinbo pass also. For if you new Bernabeu now, if you go toilet, camera they roadside inside toilet, TV they there. So in case you know. If for stadium, some people don't want to go peace. Say make this game first finish. But now, you know, as they waka go, you go to watch ball left, right, center, for inside toilet, you go to watch ball.
My brother, you don't watch match for national stadium before.
You go for your body, you not go even come out.
Not be whole body, some people don't feel whole body. They piece for plastic ball. You don't know. They go women for plastic ball, cover that. That was said, that be trap. You stand like they go, hey, they go raise her up. So hey, now put on Benny, they'll take and stone you
something. So now I like what they want to say at least. You go fit come out, no be say you want whole body say maybe blood and no go boss. So, maybe na wetin Barcelona say want do, but for Chelsea finally they don't unveil Nkunku where they sign for over 63 million for Chelsea. Now Thomas Tuchel sign now under Porter you do medical.
They do.
Now under Pochettino go pay. That one mean say
step.
This guy Todd Bowley since he joined less than a year ago, he don't spend 653.7 million pounds. Transfer.
So what be the for the what in this guy Caicedo what in be the latest news for that guy now, because I could hear up and down but fine he don't agree say one con Chelsea.
Now Chelsea won't go even with the say like Arsenal don't pull out of this. Say well we know the draft.
Arsenal pull out if you know what's good for you. When I don't buy other than Declan Rice.
No Rice now it be like say if you go Man City. Sake of add Calvin Phillips to that deal. And the coach of West Ham down at the Bimo is on the chase Calvin Phillips for 18 months. So now if they add on to Ram, Pepe don't rest with that. And Man U because they don't reject 90. They reject 80 million from Arsenal, reject 90 million from Am. So now it be like saying 100. They say 120 they want. But if Man City withdraw maybe that 80 and add Calvin Phillips, maybe they collect her.
They go collect that 80. With
Calvin Phillips.
They put money on one human being. I'm like, for you.
This guy know the joke. Pep Guardiola know the joke with anybody. Some other transfer matter. We are say Fulham one sign Pastor Fred from Man United.
From Man U.
Fred na 30 years in case you don't forget. And Leicester City they want more than 50 million for James Maddison. I don't understand what Tottenham be want. You say you want sign Maddison and Harvey Barnes for 50 million together. Now they don't clear say for only Maddison. Now over 50 million we go collect. And Man City they don't near to take sign RB Leipzig defender Josko Vadio. Remember him for World Cup. Now Croatia defender. Osimhen. Now be the Pep Guardiola won't use defender kill everybody for inside.
You know the truth if you check Man City be not really to get defense like that.
But defender so they get center back reach like 5.
Where?
Center back reach like 5.
Man City.
Yeah.
But you know that time they even as them plenty they don't really get that
now why he tweak the way they play team, they play like 5 central defender, play one for midfield.
Midfield say okay now like this, so because once they if they go cross that midfield, my brother, sorry is the case. And
like they talk, the more the merrier. Would even say man you want add either McTominay for Declan Rice and Maguire. Some G say Maguire no want go anywhere.
Maguire works.
You know they go anywhere.
I will stay here.
Even though some insight don't they say they collect captain back from him, say they don't give. Bruno Fernandes captain band and the assistant will be Varane and I don't forget the second player will be assistant.
Okay, then do I make invest go? You know, grieve.
I know they go anywhere.
How they go?
Where should I go? Say my in heart today. Say one fight for club.
One fight. But I for like that Maguire to come up for that place.
But once it they sure.
Go where then go where come on. Because they don't like him for that man.
Well, Bojo,
You know, I don't even really tell you about that Maguire. I tell you a lot. He's there on that
probably
pressure
don't
for that
even
man.
enter national team now. Before you see the ball well for national team, but now even for national team, the mistake they show.
It go show now. The guy is under serious pressure right now.
Well, one thing they sure, ni duro. Whatever happen, ni duro. Budget time don't reach. You got discharge come off.
All right, now so it be time don't reach. We got to discharge. Come on for join us. Same time tomorrow and same station Naija FM 102.7. As they talk to you, so our work don't finish this evening. So that's why myself and Boluwatiton Nishola go say it is finished.
Our final whistle be that for Sports Matter for Naija FM 102.7.